Hello wood dust lovers, welcome to my channel. Today I invite you to follow me as I install the air filtration system I've just bought for my woodshop. I've been neglecting the purchase of such a system for a long time, and I trust it will make my lungs feel better. I spend several hours a day in my workshop working with wood, and as you know, after several hours of cutting and handling wood, dust becomes a nuisance. While I already have a fairly effective dust extraction system, the reality is that woodworking shops always have a high volume of airborne wood dust particles. I therefore hope that this system will be able to capture the majority of these fine particles. Okay, let's get on with the installation. According to the manufacturer, this system should succeed in capturing over 90% of the particles present in the air. While researching the internet and the Canadian and American Amazon sites, I have found that this system is sold under various brand names depending on your location. I could be mistaken, but the similarities are quite noticeable. I encourage you to verify this by visiting the link provided in the description of this video. The manufacturer recommends 2 people for the installation. I understand the guideline, but since the system only weighs 27 pounds, I choose to do it by myself. I usually work alone most of the time anyway. This system has 2-stage speed selection that can move between 1050 and 1350 cubic feet of air per minute. It's recommended for a 1400 square foot space. In theory, this should be enough for my 800 square foot space. Filters should be replaced every 4 months or sooner, depending on usage. After a few hours of running the system, I observed an improvement in the comfort of my workspace. This was not only due to the healthier air, but also because the temperature in my workshop was more evenly distributed. After using it for a few days, I am pleased with my decision and confidently recommend that you consider implementing a similar system in your workshop.